Hello guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. My name is Rajat and today we will be discussing the question remove nth node from end of list. In this question we are given head of a linked list and we need to remove the nth node from the end of the list and return its head. The follow-up problem with the question states that can we do this in one pass? Now, in the first example, as we can see, the linked list contains 5 elements and the element to be removed is the second last element. So we remove the second last element 4 and then connect the node 3 directly with 5 and return the head as 1. Now similarly in the example 2 and 3, the given constraint states that the number of node in the list is sz, which is in the range of 1 to 30, and n will be in the range of 1 to the number of nodes in the linked list. So now let's see what the question is about and how we can solve this particular problem. We are given this example wherein we have 5 linked list nodes and we are given n equals to 2. That means we need to delete the second element from the end. In this case, it points to the node which has the value equals to 4. So how we can delete this particular node? If we count the number of nodes starting from the first node, that is the head node, till this nth last node, it will be equals to the total length of the linked list minus n plus 1. That is the number of nodes from the start which we need to delete. Now, in order to delete a particular node, as this is a simply linked list, we need to know the node previous to this particular node. So the total length up to this node becomes total length minus n, and once we are at this particular node 3, we need to simply update the pointer of this tree to the next node of the list. That way we have successfully deleted the node 4 by simply updating the node pointers. Now, in this particular approach, we need to know the total length of this list. So what we are effectively doing is a 2-pass algorithm. So in the first pass, we are finding the length of the linked list, and in the second pass, we are reaching node length minus n. Once we are at this node, we need to simply update the pointer in order to delete the respective node which we need to delete. Now, the question arises how we can delete the node in a single pass. So, we do not need to find the total length of the linked list. We can perform the same operations without knowing that also. So, let us reverse engineer the answer that we are expecting from this particular problem. So now the number of nodes remaining after this 3 will be n nodes remaining. We are sure of that, and we need to iterate over this linked list in order to delete the node. So at the end of the loop, our current pointer should point at the last node and our nth node should point to the node whose next element we need to delete. So the nth node will be present at node 3 and the current should be present at 5. Now these pointer will not point to these nodes directly. They should be started from the head node, as it is a simply linked list and it is the only single point from where the pointer can be initialized. So if we backtrack our nodes to the position wherein the nth node points to the head node, we see that the current points to the third node. The value total length minus n in this case is equals to n plus 1, because we can see that the current pointer now points to the third node from the start. But that is not correct for every scenario. Now in order to be sure about the position of this current, we will introduce one more node, and now we know that the current points to n plus 1 node, which can or cannot be equals to total length minus n. So all we need to do is have first loop where we move our current pointer to n plus 1 nodes. Then we have our nth node, and then we will move both the current and the nth node till the current node is not null, and then the nth node will be pointing to the pointer whose next node needs to be deleted. So we will delete that by updating the pointers. Now you must be wondering that we are still using 2 loops in that, so it is not a 1 pass, but as we are iterating this linked list only once, it is a 1 pass algorithm. Now it's time to code this particular approach. So as discussed, we need 2 pointers. First is current and nth node. With what value we should be initializing those values? We need to take into consideration that the nth node can be also the head. That is, we need to delete the first element in case of a linked list. So we do need a dummy node before that particular head node. We will create a dummy node, and now this dummy node next will be our head, and all this current will be initialized with dummy, and also the nth will be dummy. Now we discussed that we need to move the current pointer till the n+1 node first. So we will do that by iterating from I1 to n+1, and now we need to move the current pointer till it is not null, updating both the current and the nth node. Once we are at the nth node, we need to delete the node after this nth node, that is the next node, and we can simply update the next pointer of this nth node in order to do so. At the end, we just need to return the dummy.next value. If there would have been the case that the nth value was the head that we need to delete, then the dummy would have taken care of it, because in that case the nth will still be at the dummy node. So by taking a dummy node, most of our problems wherein we need to take care of the boundary conditions are taken care of. So now let's try to run this code. It ran successfully. Let's submit this. It got submitted successfully. The time complexity is O of n, while the space complexity is O of 1. There are many other problems related to linked list that we have already discussed on this channel. Do watch all those videos and try to solve all those problems. Do let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.